you're already an Amazon Prime member, you can dive into Prime reading a rotating library of 3,000 ebooks, magazines, comics, and audiobooks at zero extra cost. You can borrow up to 10 titles at a time. Keep them as long as you like and return one when ready for another. Let's get started. First is log into your Amazon Prime account. Go to search bar and search Prime Reading. Click the Prime Reading. Find a book you want to read. For example, you already choose what you want. Click your chosen book, go to Buying option and click See All. Now in this page, you can see the small letters that say Read with our free app. Click it now. You can scan the book using your mobile phone to get the books for free. Prime Reading is free with your Prime subscription.
No hidden fees.
Keep an eye on what's available. Titles rotate regularly, so browse often to catch the latest catalog.